Hey guys, I'm back with another video. I just received my David's bridal order and I'm so excited to open it for you guys. I caught my dress on sale for $99 and it's a $1,000 dress. I'll insert some screenshots of it here. But I had ordered my dress and I was going on YouTube and Instagram, just everywhere, trying to see how they shipped their dresses because I had no idea and I couldn't find any information whatsoever. So I decided to do an unboxing for you guys since there's nothing really on YouTube showing it. I covered my address with some cardboard because I don't want anybody on the internet knowing my address, knowing where I live. But here's the box. Alright, so I already have it cut open. I lift it up here. Ooh, that is cute. Let me get a full frame. Ooh, that is cute. Okay. I'm gonna take this off the top here. And there we are. Okay, so I had to grab some sensitive information from in there real fast before I opened it. But here we go. Oh gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, we have a little card here. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. Set that aside. Ooh, and there's my dress. Let me get it out for you. Oh my gosh, guys. So here she is. It's definitely gonna need steamed. But here is the top of it. And here's the style for you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna grab some close-up of the detail for you guys. There's all the beading on the bottom. And here is the top. And here is the back. And there's the string for the corset. Just comes already attached on here. Yeah, I think this was an awesome deal on this. $99. And you guys saw the price tag, $1,008. That is amazing. And their shipping's not bad. Definitely gonna have to get it steamed. But all in all, I think it was a success. Now I just gotta try it on and make sure it fits. But I have honestly no idea how they got all of that into this little box over here. But I will update you guys. I'll probably post some pictures once the wedding comes in October. So stay tuned for that. I'm very excited. And I'll be back with more videos soon. Thanks for watching.